Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Landmark Climate Change Hearing. First, let us see why it's in the news. Recently, India slammed developed countries for causing the climate crisis during a landmark hearing at the International Court of Justice. India stated that developed countries have exhausted the global carbon budget, failed to fulfill their climate finance commitments, and are now asking developing countries to limit their resource usage. Let's now discuss what are the hearings about. The hearings broadly concern the obligations of states with respect to climate change and the legal consequences of these obligations. They are significant because they represent the international community's efforts to come up with a legal framework for addressing climate change. The two central questions asked of the court are as follows. What are the legal responsibilities of countries under international law to protect the climate environment from human-caused greenhouse gas emissions, both for present and future generations? The second question was, what are the legal consequences for countries that have caused significant harm to the climate and environment, particularly for vulnerable countries like small island nations that are disproportionately affected by climate change due to their location and development level, and the people in future generations who are harmed by the negative effects of climate change? But how did this case come to the ICJ? In September 2021, the Pacific island of Vanuatu announced its intention to seek an advisory opinion from the ICJ on climate change. Vanuatu then lobbied other countries to support this initiative and formed the core group of UN member states to take the initiative forward in the General Assembly. This led to a UN resolution asking the ICJ for an advisory opinion. Though non-binding, the ICJ's opinion could set a moral and legal benchmark in the global fight against climate change. Now let's discuss what is India's stand. During a hearing at the ICJ, India criticized rich countries for enjoying the benefits of fossil fuels while discouraging developing nations from using their own energy resources. India also condemned the lack of action on climate finance commitments, particularly the unfulfilled USD 100 billion pledge from COP15. India reaffirmed its commitment to climate targets while cautioning against overburdening its citizens. Let's now talk about the ICJ. ICJ was established in 1945 by the United Nations Charter. It is the principal judicial organ of the United Nations, situated at the Peace Palace in The Hague, Netherlands. It settles legal disputes between states and gives advisory opinions in accordance with international law on legal questions referred to it by authorized United Nations organs and specialized agencies. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about ICJ. 1. It settles legal disputes between states and gives legally binding opinions in accordance with international law. 2. Unlike the 6 principal organs of the United Nations, it is the only one not located in New York. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.